We are having a hop and giveaway today, so don't forget to follow the hashtag N2S Sweet Flutters. That'll bring up all the videos in this hop, and one winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. Don't forget to enter the giveaway with the Rafflecopter link that's in the description box. Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today is release day. We have a brand new box of the month. We have a brand new stamp of the month, brand new paper pad club, and there's some other new things that have landed in the shop. So when you're shopping, check it out. We have some new listings from Barely Art Glue. We have a new ephemera pack that I am dying to make a card with. So this is the Little Cafe ephemera pack, and oh my gosh, you guys, if you are enjoying making those cute little shop cards, this pack is chock full of goodness here to create a cute little coffee shop or cafe shop. Oh my gosh, and the girl in here is just so cute. So let me find her. I might just have to dump this out really quickly. But there's 110 pieces in this package. And we've got these gorgeous little girls. Look at that. And then all these cute little accessories. And there's these sentiments. Oh, it's just so stinking cute. There's a banner. Look at this border. Just gorgeous. So this is a larger pack of ephemera, and it is kind of like chipboard too. It's a little bit of thicker paper. So you'll see that listed under the Not Too Shabby section if you want to grab a pack. There will be some coordinating paper that matches nicely. Teresa whipped that up for me, and it's going to be here probably mid-April. But for now, if you want to grab some of the ephemera, and there is going to be a coordinating stamp set, or a matching stamp set, I should say, with the girl in the pack and some of these images. So that will also be here probably mid-April, maybe sooner. So let's check out what's in the box. So it comes wrapped up so nicely. And my husband is the one that actually packs all the kits and wraps them up and puts them in the box. So giving a little shout out to him. So we've got a beautiful collection. Have you seen the sneak peeks? So we do a countdown, and we do 5 days of sneak peeks. If you want to go back and watch any of those, I do share how I made the cards. So here's all the cards that I've created. Just beautiful cards. Just had a ball creating them. So I'm not going to go into any details with the cards. You can go back and watch all the videos on how I made each one of these. This one we use the stencil. There's a stencil in this month's box. We're going to get into all the items that are in the box. So we have 2 paper pad collections. We've got Sweet Bees and Coordinating Ephemera. Now, this little one here, I colored with my Copic markers. So we had a question if we were able to color the ephemera with our Copic markers. And the answer is yes. So I actually took my 4 shades of Copic markers. I posted this on the community tab. You can see the list of colors that I used, and I colored right over her skin. The ink does not bleed or smear, so you can color right over that. I think it's a nice way to enhance the images or change the color of the skin tone. So let's see. And the original, let's see, did I use her on a card? The original girl looks like that. So you can see the difference there. So you can customize your images. So the ephemera is just too cute. Look at that little dog, the girl with the dog and the bumblebee, the girl on the honey pot. There's a sunflower, larger honey pots. There's these cute little bumblebees. Just tons of cuteness in here. There's one where she's on the swing. Like you get the image in the stamp set. Just so stinking adorable. So for our box of the month, you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. You just won't get the discount. So if you join the club by choosing monthly for your frequency, and you'll do that before checkout, you'll see a little drop-down menu. Choose monthly, you'll get 5% off, and then you'll be on auto ship. So you'll get a new box every month automatically. Let me flip through the paper pad really quickly. So this one's mine. I tore some sheets out. Love this ombre, polka dots, cute little bee paper. Look at that, a cute little scallop. Pinstripes. Just adorable. So our next collection is the Hummingbird Flutters. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I love pink and green together. Cut that out. So ready to do another card. Beautiful hummingbirds, polka dots and pinstripes. Look how gorgeous that is. Let me bring it up for a closer look. Isn't that pretty? So really gorgeous paper pad. And then the coordinating ephemera. So as you saw in the cards that I made, so we've got the trumpet flowers, and then some beautiful Bible verses for sentiments, and then we've got some sentiments that say, "Don't just fly, soar," and then "Spread your wings and let your spirit soar." Really, really pretty. Just the colors in here, really soft, pastel-y. And you get tons of hummingbirds and flowers in here. And then some leaves. I'll bring this up close so you can see these beautiful hummingbirds. So if you want to go back and I lay out all the pieces for you, you can check that out. I'm trying to keep this video a little bit short because we are doing a hop. So if you click on the hashtag N2S Sweet Flutters, you'll see the videos from this hop. Also, I'll have some links in the description box in case YouTube brings up all kinds of videos. So let me share the stencil. So it's a real pretty stencil by Call Me Crafty Al. It's called Striped Honeycomb Background Stencil. Really neat design with the stripes inside the honeycomb. So that I used on this card here. Super fun. And let me share the beautiful stamp sets. So this one here is called Little Hello, And we've got 2 gorgeous hummingbirds and 2 floral sprays. We've got 3 clouds, a little flower, and a leaf. And the sentiments, it's the little things, sweet birthday wishes, a little hello, and you are amazing. So what a beautiful stamp set. Now I do have the coordinating dies available for sale on the site. The dies do not come in the box. You can purchase them as a separate sale on the site. The die quantities are limited, so shop early for the best selection. Then our next stamp set is a large 6x8 stamp set. This one's called Oh Honey. We've got the swing. We could have this girl, she's sitting. You could have her on the swing or have her sitting on this honey pot. This card here, I did her on the swing. And then the other card, I had her sit on the honey pot. And then this third card, I had her walking the dog, and this dog is so adorable. You could also stamp out this bee right here connected to the leash, and it creates a really cute scene. We've got a tiny little bumblebee. We've got a floral cluster with a sunflower. We've got a bow, which I used on her hair there. We've got 2 characters, and the sentiments, I will always be there for you. Oh honey, you are beautiful. Being your friend is pure joy, and be happy. Then we have a coordinating die available that will cut out all of the sentiments and the swing. So really, really nice. This is a super large die, so this die is more expensive than my regular dies, but it is just huge. So it cuts out these full-size images. And I'm going to share the stamp of the month. So our stamp and die of the month is called Grow Happy Thoughts. The die does cut out all the sentiments, the images, and the little images, the little bee or fly, and the little trail as well. So this would look super cute. Tuck these flowers in behind one of your grass hills. That would be super cute. And then we've got sentiments, thanks, grow happy thoughts, wild and free, and wishing you a wild birthday. Here's the card I created using the stamp set. So I used the image, the top image from the stamp sets, and then I stamped below it, grow happy thoughts. Also stamped out the little fly with the little trail and one of the butterflies. And then I popped it up on top of this beautiful paper that's in the butterfly wings paper pad. So for the paper pad club, you're going to get blooms of spring and beautiful wings. So really pretty. So we've got a stripe with this beautiful little flower. We've got like this watercolor in a pink. Another little wildflower cluster with a butterfly pattern. A green watercolor page. And then this beautiful cloud page. This would make a great background for your scenes. You wouldn't have to do any inking. Another beautiful little wildflower cluster there with a butterfly. And then these are the cutouts. So you could cut those out with your brother scan and cut or fussy cut them out. And then we've got a solid. And then this nice rainbow pattern. And we've got a blue and a pink. And this is a really pretty page here. All the butterflies and the rainbows in the background. And I love this one. This is the one that I used for this card here. Isn't that pretty? Looks like a sunset. Super pretty. So that is the first paper pad. Then we've got Blooms of Spring. Isn't that a pretty page? So we've got some solids here to coordinate. Those make great mats for your cards. Here's a nice leafy background. Pretty little flowers here in the pink. Got a nice pink solid. Here's kind of like a neutral. This is a nice mild pattern, not too busy. So we've got some daisies and some berries. This is a real pretty color. This is like a real pale purple. And then this nice yellow watercolor. Nice wildflower cluster. There's a nice purple. Just a really nice paper pad. So those are the papers for this month. So I hope you enjoy this month's paper pads and the stamp of the month. You could sign up for those clubs by choosing monthly at checkout. And when you join these clubs, you get 18% off. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase. You just don't get the discounts. I'm going to have all the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to hop on over to the other creators on the Hop, see what they have created for you, and leave us a comment and a like, and go back to the Rafflecopter link in the description box to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will end on April 8th, and I will list the winner on my community tab probably on April 9th. So thank you so much for joining us today, and happy shopping, guys. Thank you for shopping with me, and I'll see you next time.